Toronto Rock is our lacrosse club. I like to fluff my own feathers and tell people that I'm the 3-time Toronto Rock fan of the game. They look at the crowd and they find the craziest person, and hi. I love to bring a lot of energy into my class. My name is Greg Ott, and I'm a part-time faculty with the electrical techniques group. So beyond Humber, I really enjoy playing softball. I'm a fanatic for several sports. I really enjoy watching football. I'm a season ticket holder for the Toronto Rock. The electrical field is very experiential, so I had an opportunity to work at Air Canada Centre, and I've worked at Rogers Centre. So just to kind of bring those into the classroom allows students to kind of, I don't know, stay on track, and they think, okay, oh, that's really cool. One day I could work at Rogers Centre. This is the greatest career ever. Yeah, I want to be an electrician.
Okay, this one's a little bit more complicated. We're going to start off with...
When you include a video in your presentation, you get a lot of engagement. If you ask them questions about it afterwards, I find that they've watched with intent. It's like when your fire is going out at the campfire. It's just like blowing into the embers to create a little bit of flame again. That's what I find I can do with online video or online quizzing or something like that. I want them to make it through. I want them to be successful. Trades are very near and dear to my heart. They've provided for my family, and that's ultimately the goal, is to give them sort of a springboard into the career that made it possible for me to do all the things that I'm doing now with my family.